Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by equipping your ship with the best scanner upgrades available. This increases spawn detection and narrows results. Once done, create a quick save so you can reload fast if nothing appears. Then jump to a busy system with multiple stations and planets, because more traffic raises spawn chances. You should be in a ship with space combat readiness. Make sure your multi-tool and exosuit allow quick boarding. Begin scanning immediately as you approach stations and planetary orbits. You now move into the detailed search loop. Land at each space station, check for Sentinel-class ships in docking bays, then take off and scan the local space. Once done, orbit high-traffic planets while scanning and selectively mining to provoke Sentinel activity, because their ships often appear after engagement. If you don't find one, make a fresh save and reload to change spawn seeds. Repeat across several systems. Keep notes on system economy and conflict levels to target promising locations. When you finally see a Sentinel ship, approach cautiously and watch its pattern. Patience prevents accidental destruction and loss. Once close, board quickly and claim it or scan for data. Make sure to save immediately after acquiring. If you can't find any despite repeated attempts, switch to systems with higher conflict or different economies and retry the save-reload loop. If problems persist, restart the game or clear temporary files. That often resolves persistent spawn glitches and lets your search continue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.